Hello! In this video I will unbox and set up professional photo printer imagePrograf PRO-1100. I show the following in the video, and for the product introduction check the video in the upper right corner. For the unboxing, I first show what items are in the box, so you can skip unboxing part and go directly to the printer setup. There is print head, power cable, inks, setup DVD and hard copy documents about warranty, safety information and manuals with QR code that guides to online instructions. Next, I show the dimensions and weight of the product. I put on screen the dimensions and weight of the box and dimensions of the product, with trays in and out. Now let's see what is in the box. As I am unboxing, there is less waste than with the predecessor, as it is paper only, which is easier to recycle. Here is print head, power cable, Finally, here is manuals with QR code, setup DVD and hard copy documents. Leaflet about poster artist software. Safety information. Warranty. Now I will unpack the printer and remove all the orange materials. Finally, my printer is ready for setup. In this video, I set up a new printer and I plug it in and turn on for the first time. Some parts in the video during the setup will be in the fast forward mode, not to make video too long. There are 12 inks to be installed. And each ink is recommended to be shaken before inserting to the printer. The next step is to install the print head. The printer nicely shows the instructions on the screen during the setup. This print head has more than 18,000 nozzles. After print head is in the place, the initialization and printhead alignment process will start. When this procedure is started, it must not be interrupted for 25 minutes. During this time, you can start downloading and installing the drivers and software, which I cover in the next video. I will install from the web page and not from the supplied setup DVD. Find it in the upper right corner of the screen. After printer prints the printhead alignment pattern, the setup is almost finished. Few more steps to confirm firmware updates, and at the end there is a short survey on printer usage. For printer connection, USB and Wi-Fi or Ethernet are available. For my setup, I use USB connection, and USB cable is not part of the box content. Scanning the on-screen QR code brings you to online manuals and guides to download Canon print app. I connect this printer to the Wi-Fi using Canon print app in the video in the upper right corner of the screen. The setting up printer with driver and professional software continues in the next video. And that would be all in this video. Find more about imagePrograf Pro Printer series in the playlist on my channel, and feel free to subscribe to support so I can create more content in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.